Okay, quick change the oil reset on a Dodge Ram. We got up, down, right, and left buttons. So we push the up button until we get to the truck button. Then we push the right button, trans temp, oil life, and then it says on the bottom, press the right button and hold it to reset it. Okay, so we're at the truck. Oil change is required. We've done an oil change. Now we're here. Okay, so we press and hold the right, and then it says OK, so we go down to OK. We press the right button again to confirm. Oil life back to 100. So that's a quick and easy way to reset the oil life on a Dodge Ram EcoDiesel. Reset engine must be off with the ignition in run.